Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, January 18, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series which is Seminary Edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about asceticism. So ano ang tatlong uri ng mga Kristiyano? Ayon po sa ating talata para sa araw nito, which is from 1 John chapter 2 verses 15 and 16. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Do not love the world. Do not love the world or anything in the world. If anyone loves the world, love for the Father is not in them. For everything in the world, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life comes not from the Father but from the world. Ngayon, upang ating mas maunawaan ang ating devotion para sa araw na ito, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings sa mga katuruan para sa devotion natin ngayong araw. So una po, basahin ko po. By the way, ang ating teachings po for today is about 3 types of Christians. So una po, first type po is what we call separatist, being separated from the world. So itong una po is ina-emphasize niya yung being complete detachment from worldly influence. While it focuses on holiness and avoiding sin, it can sometimes lead to isolation and missed opportunities to share God's love. Ikalawa po, pacifist. Sabi po, being apathetic to the world. So, a passive approach ignores the world's brokenness and kumbaga, it avoids taking action. So while it may seem like para kang neutral, it often leads to neglecting the church, the role of the church in transforming lives and addressing societal needs. And last po is transformationist, being world changer. So itong approach na po nito or itong type ng Christian na ito is actively engaging in the world to make a positive difference, which reflects Christ's love and truth. So, ang isang transformationalist, she works to bring God's kingdom into every aspect of their lives, wherein it influences culture and communities for His glory. So, paano po natin ma-apply ang ating mga katuruan na ito para sa araw na ito? Ngayon po tayo po ay dadako sa ating application. So, ito po yung mga ating gagawin dapat na i-apply sa ating mga buhay. Una po, do not love the world. So, let's avoid being entangled in the world's sinful values and pursuits. Sinabi po sa 1 John chapter 2 verse 15. So, instead, let's seek to live a life set apart for God. Kalawa po, pursue personal transformation. Hayaan mo ang spirit of God's Spirit working to change your heart and mga actions mo, so you can reflect Christ. True transformation starts with personal renewal. And last but not least po, engage the world with the gospel. So, maging bold ka in sharing the message of Christ's love and salvation. Live in a way na it can influence others, showing them the hope and truth found in Jesus. Naway marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.